What's good, guys? It's AnthonyAllenEdits YouTube channel. My name is Anthony Allen, and here in this video, in this channel trailer, I'm about to tell you what my YouTube channel is all about. So let's run into it. I'm about to tell you what you can find right here on my channel. By trade, I am a freelance video editor, and I find my clients on websites such as Upwork. So naturally, I want to show you the type of video projects that I create for clients and businesses. You can find this sort of content in one of my playlists called Edits for Clients. But I also create video tutorials on video editing software such as Final Cut Pro X. And you can find a playlist full of video editing tutorials on my channel also. These are normally videos that are responses to your comments in the comment section. Maybe you want to learn how to do something with video and you don't know how to do it. I will try to show you how to do this with Final Cut Pro X. And if I can't do this task with Final Cut Pro X, I will be showing you different softwares and applications that you can do that task that you're asking how to do. So don't think that this playlist is completely constricted with Final Cut Pro X, because it's not. Not only that, but I also review and give you discounts to products, and you can find that within my review and discounts playlists. But that is subject to availability, so I don't always have a discount code for you, but most of the time I do, or I've found a discount code that you can use to purchase the products in which I'm reviewing or unboxing a lot cheaper. That's in a nutshell what this channel is all about. That's the reason why you should subscribe, and I hope to see you in the comment section of the latest video. So see you there. You can also see our recent activities playlist, which is at the top of the channel as well. And yeah, I also update this channel trailer if there are any changes that don't match what I'm saying. So yeah, man, see you in the comment section. Let's do it. Let's get those discounts. Let's find out how to video edit better, and let's find out what kind of video edits I'm doing for my clients and showcasing to you guys. Let's go. Boom.